Good morning, students. This is the part 5. In the previous class, we have made the study about the PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Now, some new facts we will see, like manager commission. Manager commission is the charges. Charges means it will be paid either the firm has profit or either the firm has loss, and all the charges are recorded in profit and loss account. So manager commission, you will record profit and loss account debit side, and because this is the outstanding, so it will be recorded in balance sheet liabilities side. So you will pass the entry for this profit and loss account debit to manager outstanding manager's commission. And outstanding, this outstanding manager commission, outstanding manager's commission will be recorded liability side of balance sheet. Before this, we have seen partner commission. And partner commission, we have learned the entry commission account, PL appropriation account debit to partners commission, and partners commission account debit to partners capital account. Now means partners commission is recorded in PL appropriation account debit side and capital account credit side. In previous lecture, we have written the entry partners commission will be recorded debit side of PL appropriation and credit side of partners capital account. Now, how we will make the calculation of these commission? This is also important, that how we will make the calculation of these commission. These commission are calculated by two methods. Sorry for interruption. The screen was not clear. Now you write down this. Now how you will make the calculation of commission? Now in the question it is written before charging the commission or after charging the commission. Now 5% commission on net profit before charging this commission. If it is written before charges the commission, this is on the net profit. See this one. So you will write here commission equal profit, net profit into commission rate upon 100. Suppose net profit is given 1,05,000. Net profit before commission equal given 1 lakh. Now commission equal 1 lakh into 5%, that is 5,000. So if net profit before commission is given 1 lakh, then commission equal 1 lakh into 5 by 100, that is 5,000. This is the case before charging this commission. Now second case may be after charging this commission. Second case, suppose it is written 5% commission on net profit after charging this commission. Then formula will be commission equal net profit plus commission rate upon 100 plus commission rate. And suppose if net profit before commission is given 1,05,000. Now you will calculate the commission equal net profit before commission 1,05,000 into 5 upon 105. That again will come 5,000. So in the case of commission before charging this commission, you will use the formula commission rate upon 100. In the case of after charging, commission rate upon 100 plus commission. So in this lecture we have seen about the commission, manager commission, partners commission, and how we will make the calculation of commission. Thank you.